delete or hide channel. What you want here is permanent delete. So hi guys, today I made a tutorial video how to delete your YouTube channel. I want to show you guys how to delete your YouTube channel. Okay, let's jump in. Okay guys, we're here now in the screen, and then go to your YouTube channel. Log in. Here is my YouTube channel, Epic Gaming. You just put Epic, and then put your password. Here you go. And go here, channel. And here is my channel, guys. This is my channel. And then, okay guys, go to your creator studio. And go to the settings here. And go to channel. And then here, go click here, advanced settings. And scroll down here. Here is guys, delete or hide channel. What you want here is permanent delete. So we go here, delete. Enter your password here. Next, click next, and here is remove your YouTube content. Hide or delete your content from YouTube. What you want guys, you want to hide your channel or delete. But for me, I want to permanently delete my content. So this have two choices if what you want. So I click this, and here is this will permanently delete the YouTube data associated with my channel, this Epic Gaming. This is my channel. And then select all of the following to confirm that you understand. The following will be permanently delete. Comments that you made on YouTube, your replies and thumbs up on comments, your message, your search and watch history. So we check this. You want delete. So click this, delete my content. And here is delete your content. This will be permanently delete all your YouTube content, including all your videos, playlists like subscriptions, comments, messages, search history, and watch history. This data can be restored. Please confirm by typing in your email address. Here you go. Type your email address here. And there is. And here, delete, click that. And here you go guys. Remove YouTube content. Your content is being deleted. And that's it guys, how to delete your YouTube channel. So I hope it's helpful for you. And it was. Don't forget to like, share, and comment to my YouTube channel, or subscribe to my channel. Making a YouTube tutorial now guys. Maybe next videos I make other tutorial, so check it out that guys. So thank you for watching, and see you next video guys. Bye bye.